In Brahma Sutra, Agni is depicted as a sign of life in the body. Acharya Yasaka has given the etymology of the term Agni, which is as follows. A represented by the alphabet A denotes root I, which means to go. G represented by the alphabet G denotes the root Anja, which means to glitter, or root Daha, which means to burn, and Ni means to carry. Shankaracharya illustrates that Agni carries everything in it. It moves everywhere and metamorphoses substances, burns, assimilates, transforms, and glitters. Agni is the first word of first hymn of Rig Veda, the oldest surviving treatise. Western scholars of Indology say it to be derived from the Proto-Indo-European root, similar to the Latin root ignis, which means fire. However, on scan of available literature, Agni cannot be completely correlated with fire. Fire is a form of Agni, but Agni is not fire. Agni, in brief, can be understood as an entity which depicts transformation at all levels of cosmic manifestations. As seed transforms into crop, child grows to a man, as food transforms into blood, as thoughts transform into words, so at every understood level of transformation, Agni can be interpreted. Through its multitude forms, it is predominantly related with fire. This high importance is evident from Rig Veda, where there are more hymns to Agni than any other gods. Agni in the Vedas is represented in the pictorial form as having two faces, seven arms, three legs, and riding a ram. It is also described that Agni has dark eyes and three bodies. The omnipresence of Agni is described through the Puranas in all manifestations. It is described as sage among all divinest of sages, immortal with its abode among mortals, director, protector, and accomplisher of all ceremonies, messenger between heaven and earth, without oblation to which gods experience no satisfaction. It is only communication between gods and mortals, and immediately acquainted with all forms of worship. Agni is also found at crematorium, where it assumes form of Kravyat, a flesh-eating demon. Agni himself is a Kravyat, and as such takes an entirely different character. He is then represented under a form as hideous as the beings he, in common with the other gods, is called upon to devour. The origin of Agni has many legends. He is said to be a son of Deus and Prithvi. He is described as a son of Angiras, the king of Pitris, or fathers of mankind, and the authorship of several hymns is ascribed to him. He is called the son of Brahma and is then named Abhimani. He is reckoned among the children of Kashyap and Aditi, and hence one of the Adityas. At the command of Bhrigu, he was first brought down to earth for humans by a wind god. He is considered the Lokpal or controller of southeast quarter of earth. In Shabda Kalpadruma, 61 synonyms of Agni have been compiled. These synonyms help in explaining the nature and functions of Agni. Agni has many names, those more generally known as Vanni, Dhananjaya, Jivalna, Dhumaketu, Saptajiva. I hope this video was informative and made the subject clear. Thank you for watching.